What up, guys? I appreciate you guys watching my first YouTube channel, and please hit that like button and subscribe. Hope you guys like the content that I have to offer. All right, today, as you guys see, understanding my mortgage. I'm going to teach you guys basic financial math, and it's going to be the most important things in your life that most people don't understand. And I'm going to teach you what you need to know to understand when buying your house. Okay, because I just bought mine, so I'm motivated to teach you guys when you guys buy your house. All right, so stay tuned, and I hope you guys are listening. So what I have here is my whiteboard, and I detailed down my personal mortgage payments, and I'm going to show you guys the reality of what many people are going to go through financially as well. So I feel like mine is good compared to today's market. So if you guys are, looking to buy a house, wait until you watch this video. So bear with me. So understanding my mortgage, my loan amount for my household is $215,000. That's the loan that I took out. Simple. Interest rate, annual percentage rate. The interest is 2.875 annually. So if you guys don't understand, 2.875 annual percentage rate of this loan amount. So doing the math, you're looking at almost thousands and thousands of dollars accruing every year just from this APR. And this is a low APR, guys. Before, it used to be a 5%. We were throwing money out the banks to people who build skyscrapers. So don't do that. This is a good APR. I hope you guys can get that too. Original value, we got the house appraised at $520,000. So let's show you, I'm going to show you how much equity I have. My equity to my house, you're going to do $520,000 minus $215,000. I have around $300,000 in equity that belongs to me. It's not cash flow, it's tied to the home. But I do have $300,000 in equity. So I'm up. So that's a good sign. Over here, I have the loan term. My dad wanted to do a 30-year. I make sure that we're paying off this house quick. So I put him on a 20-year. I own the house. I put us on a 20-year. The term in months, we have 240 payments. Jesus Christ, you don't want that. You do not want that. You want to take that down to under 200. Okay, that's your life. 240 payments, one payment each month. Sheesh, 20 years, okay? Don't get trapped, guys. Don't get trapped. So this is the terms of our loan, okay? Always pay it off early. Like I said, try to make those 240 payments around 200 payments. You're gonna save yourself a few years, and that's big game, big change in the mortgage world. Okay, so I'm going to break it down. We're going to go to the other half of the board, principal and interest payments. So this is our principal and interest payment of $1,000 and 178.98 cents. Okay? Of this amount, our interest portion of this amount is $515. $515. Do you see that, guys? That is ridiculously a lot, and you don't want to get trapped in that. That's too much money to just be thrown away for people to be building skyscrapers. All right, so that's a no-no. Free money, gone every month. You're never getting it back. Never. Principal portion, $663.88. That money is what's going towards the principal balance of the $215,000 loan. Every month, we're making this much payment. While the bank who gave us this loan said, you owe me this much every month because I gave you this amount of loan. That doesn't make too much sense to me, to be honest. It's very unfortunate. More people are, a lot of people, they pay more interest. These numbers are swapped around. They pay more interest than they do in the principal portion, which is very sad, and they'll never pay off their house. And I want to help you guys pay off your house, okay? So please listen, and I hope you guys are understanding as I'm describing this to you. So don't get trapped in the APR, guys. The lower the this is a good low APR. The lower the APR, the better. I tried to shoot for a 2.5, but man, you know, my family was lagging it, so I still think that's a great APR. So this is the actual payoff amount for the house. This is still not good, guys. For that amount alone, $663 a month, that's actually going towards the balance. That's not gonna get you anywhere that's such a slow rate. You guys gotta ramp it up, turn that into, make those extra payments. Shoot it up to 1,000, pay above the monthly payment. Don't do the minimum, guys. Don't ever do the minimum if you guys are caught in an APR scenario where it's that massive, okay? Be careful for APR, guys. It's the trap. It's the trap. So I want to show you guys over here, escrow payments. So if you guys don't know what an escrow payment is, escrow, these are the guys who helped us get the house for us. And they're the ones who manage it. They're the ones who make sure the money goes to the lenders. They're the ones who do the closing disclosures. They're the ones who are in charge of making sure that the transactions are being put to where they need to be put, okay? So that comes along tied to their monthly payments. So that's unfortunate. I was wondering what the heck is escrow payment. This is common. Everyone's gonna have escrow payment. So be wary for that, okay? This can fluctuate, but it's usually gonna stay around the same area. So we're gonna add these numbers, okay? And we're gonna get our estimated total monthly payment of around $1,450, okay? That's how much I'm paying with my family in monthly rent, monthly mortgage for this place, okay? That's not good considering that this total amount, only this much is going towards the mortgage. Interest, gone. Escrow payment, gone. That's going to these guys at the big banks who sit around at the desk all day and they're gonna go build big skyscrapers. While I'm over here stuck, barely getting by with me and my family paying that much towards this loan amount. It doesn't make sense. So that's why I made this YouTube channel in my first video to help you guys find your designation towards buying your first house and making sure that you guys are prepared and understand what it takes to buy a house. So don't buy a house until you guys are ready, okay? Save that money for that down payment so you guys don't get screwed with an APR. This is a great APR, but it's so unfortunate how much it reaps from such a small loan, okay? So I hope you guys understood something. Basic math, nothing's complicated about it, and not many people understand this, so I hope I got you guys to understand this. So thank you guys and enjoy your day.